corners of my canvas, just so when I come to tilt this loveliness, I suppose I should make sure I empty out my bottle so I can remake up some more. It is really good making these big bottles up with the colours that you use quite often. So always helpful to have that premix there. So I'm just gonna put that over the edges a little bit, just so I don't have to tilt a lot of my caramel colours off, but I'm sure I will. Hope you guys have been keeping well and keeping yourself from going crazy in this crazy world that there is today with the crazy things happening. We all have to do things that keep us sane, and art is definitely my one. Rightio, I am going to start off using the bits and dabs of colours that I already have left over. This was white and it was just added a little bit of the copper, metallic copper to it. Was it bronze? I can't remember. Pretty much of a muchness. So I'm just going to use the bits and bobs up. And this is the lovely metallic gold. So it's really just in a complete Wiggles fashion on this canvas. Hope I'm going to get a really lovely earthy caramelly. I've just got the place for it to hang in my studio up the top. Rightio, I'm going now for some burnt umber, and it had a good dash of black in it because I like it to go real chocolatey looking. Look at all that chocolatey goodness on there. Now it's making me feel like a caramel sundae on a Monday. Rightio, and I'll go back to, this is my metallic bronze, copper. Metallic bronze and copper the same, I'm not sure. So I'm getting lots of colour on here for sure. That'll be enough of that. Then I will go to the lovely champagne gold, which is literally 50% silver, 50% gold. So these are all on the quite thick side, and they're all mixed with my Kiss pouring medium. And I like to keep the mix a little bit on the thicker side if I want to get cells. I find that I get more cells if I keep it on the thicker side. Rightio, this is my pearl white, pearlescent, I think. I'm just trying to think. Yeah, it's a global colour, and it's, yeah, really nice pearly. So this whole thing will really just shimmer because it has got so much metallic paint in it. Now, I don't know whether I need to add any more gold. No, probably not. I was thinking of, I want a colour that'll pop in there. So I might add, which I did this colour combo the other day and it was absolutely gorgeous, my black cherry in there. I'll make it up myself out of, you can either start with the dark, cool red and then add a blob of black and, what's the other colour I have? Oh, phthalo blue. Oh my goodness, I'm losing my marlies. Yeah, I did this colour combo on like a monstera leaf the other day and it was gorgeous. I thought I've got to kind of keep similar look to it on a bigger canvas because it was so nice. I have got lots of other colours here, but you know, I'm gone over the top as it is, as you know I normally do. Rightio, just a gentle tilt now. So you're just tilting them to slide over one another and take it nice and slow, and then they won't muddy up, hopefully, and especially because I'm keeping the mix on the thicker side, but it does take longer to tilt. But that is all part of the therapy, is just take your time and do it. Keep it tilted along the bottom here, just nice and slow. Those colours look absolutely lovely as they are. They are gorgeous. Right, it's just slipping over each other very nicely. Ooh, now along the back. And you have to try not to do this really quick. I know it's so easy to just think, oh, just tilt it all off. It is important to do it slow like this. Try and tilt it round so you can see what's happening. Rightio. Now it's all tilted over your edges, just re-center it. Bring it all back. Bring it all back. Just all back to the center again. It's the only colour that has Floetrol in it. All the rest has just got my pouring medium with the dilution to it. And now I've just made up some more. This has only got Floetrol. So I'm going to, I think I'll go through the center. Ooh. I only want to do a very thin strip. Right, yeah, let's do this. And it's a nice new piece of soft plastic file divider. I absolutely find it the best to swipe with. So just let that drop the very tip into your colour. Oh, look how that Berry Delicious now is really showing up beautifully. So gorgeous. Oh, I love this colour combo. I'll try and find the Monstera flower that I did the other day. Or the Monstera leaf, I think it was, not a flower. Oh, when I bring you up close, I really want you to see this because it is just beautiful. I'll turn it right the way around and then I'll bring you down. Have a look at it. Gorgeous. Oh, that is so lovely colours. Give a little bit of your heart to me. I think I will need to put another line on there because I only put a very thin line, my swipey colour. So let's just go, just a thin line again. That's all it needs. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I just want to make sure my swipey tool's dry and not wet. Just the tip, tippy tip. And just nice and slow, really slow. Oh, that happens, but that's absolutely fine. My gosh. Definitely that Berry Delicious, as I like to call it, is coming through absolutely gorgeous through there. Rightio. And around. Oh, wow. Wow. That is just beautiful. Let's give it a zip over with my heat wand. I'm going to bring you down to have a close look at that. I'm so excited. It is gorgeous. Oh, look at this. I'm so excited with this. Even where it looks black, it isn't actually black. It's got those lovely cells in there. where the black line was down the centre. Look, there's the actual cells in there, and it's glistening, absolutely glistening. You could certainly take high definition photos of any part of your art piece that you feel that you would like a prints made out of, or clothing, or to go for that particular part of the design to go on an item of clothing, or pillows, or oh my gosh, the bags. The opportunities are endless, but that is super cool. I cannot get over that. How well that Berry Delicious goes with those colours. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Super duper happy with that. Now, I am absolutely, you could leave it exactly like this, and I will take some photos in case I want to get prints of this. Is kind of like a reflection swipe. It kind of looks like a city there in the, with a reflection in the water. So I'll take photos and get some photos if I want to have prints made to sell, whether now or in the future. But I'm going to, of course, carry on with my signature thing that I do with my balloons, my balloon kisses, because this one is actually for me. So let's continue. When I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel. When I'm with you, just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's hope these. I've got a very deflated, odd looking balloon. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't look so good, I will swap. I think I am only going to balloon in these areas. So this is an odd shape, but look at that. Oh, look at those cells. That you can definitely do kiss back onto a piece of card or another canvas for sure. So I'm not going to do that today. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Even the kisses coming up, or even the gorgeous cells coming up on the balloon. Those look too lovely to waste, don't they? Oh, I absolutely must do that. I haven't got a canvas ready to go. Anyway, silly Jilly. That's so pretty there. Very lovely. If there's too much paint and it's falling in, wipe your balloon in between each kiss, but kiss it back on the same spot, and it kind of blots up some of the paint if you find there's just too much paint there falling in. But just make sure that you wipe your balloon in between your kisses for sure. You end up with it a bit muddy otherwise. Just want to add one bit there. That is the effect that I get by just using the Floetrol in the swipe colour with the new pouring medium. Even though the pouring medium gives you cells on its own, just that extra bit of it gives the real, like I said before, the bloom effect. It's like a pseudo bloom, the cheater's way of blooming. Trust me to find an easier way. So I'm just going in, it's just a normal size balloon that I've put a bit of water in. I just find having that extra bit of weight. Look at that, where can I kiss that? Those colours really are a match made in heaven. They are super duper together. Look at that. So it's a bit thicker, so just wipe your balloon off and press it again. The balloon kissing is all about the paint's consistency, and even going away and leaving it for a while if your kisses are just falling in really mushy, to let the paint dry a little. I'm not sure if I've done that colour combo before I did the Monsteria paint piece last week, but it is absolutely stunning. And I'm going to just kiss this little bit here because I want to. And I want to get rid of that line there. So I could do a roll, which gives a really nice effect too. But in such gorgeous cells, the actual effect from the kisses are really nice. Some areas that I don't like so much, I will just use my balloon to pretty them up. So remember, you don't have to do your balloon kissing, that's up to you. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Make it your own, but those colours together with those balloon kisses are super duper. Just love them. Okay, I'm done, nearly. Really nearly. Okay, that's it, my lovelies. I love that piece. Absolutely love the colour combo. I'll just show you the Monsteria leaf. So I'm just about, it's a Monsteria leaf. So I'm just about to put resin on this now, and this will pop back up. The colours will really pop again. So I'm either going to put that on a black background or a board, similar to this. I don't think black. I think it'll get lost in black, but I think when it's resined, it will really pop. Anyway, I will show you soon enough. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, ring a family member or a friend. Do not suffer in silence. Wait on for the end view of how it dried and a close-up of those kisses. Bye for now.
I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give